I lived in the States around 3 years, and while I was there, I focused on defense work, being able to secure the people of America. And while I was doing my work, I found that a lot of people were focused more on outside things. And, I brought to a lot of people's attention that, no, actually, it should be, people should put more focus on treating the people of America better. Funny enough, me as a foreigner, walked into their office. They had to turn on the lights in order to warn everybody that I'm an alien. So I come in there and I tell them that, right? Anyway, so I worked within defense for a couple of seasons, and I got to learn quite a lot. I got to meet a lot of people, all the way to even people that work for the White House and would secure presidential lines, as well as the Pentagon. And so my business partner, Keith King, that was formerly from the White House and the chief of staff at the Pentagon, we decided to do a project together, an international project, and this was a side project, and it was more in order to just allow people internationally to secure technology and then be able to bring investments back into America. And so we created a pipeline. I focused a lot on securing America, and the business relations are from other people's sides. And so I focus on the technology, and other people focus on creating the business connections and taking the technology to the next levels, to the market, etc., etc. And so when I worked with Keith King, I created a couple of books in order to help people work with the American government easier. And I got recommendations from Keith King, I got recommendations from others as well. And I could show you them, they're right over here. And most of the time, whenever I focus on business, I want to make a positive change. I want to push forward a vision at large for people. I want to help people engineer solutions that they actually need, not the ones that are just being sold to them. Bridge gaps in between technology for what is actually needed for the people, and actually focus on creating a better world for everybody, like people centerpiece, it's not just one-sided, or not just the 1%. And so we got together and we decided to push, and then we kept on going. I took quite a lot of incentive in pushing it forward, in order to, because that's originally what I wanted people to understand. And over time, I got to meet even more people all over the world. Asia, the Middle East, Europe, Canada, USA, Mexico, you name it. And they were super passionate to hear about this vision. And so they formed a community. And this community, it focuses, and everybody can join. We actually have open doors right now, and we will always have open doors for people. That's we are very, very open, and so we created this community of engineers that help each other. It expanded to doctors, uh, farmers, even, etc., etc. The point is, if you have a vision and you want to really put it out there, I think that the best advice I can give is making sure that you make the connections early, whether that is between what you need to do or who you need to connect with, and plan it out and seek it early. I'm always available to connect, so you can find me online if you search for me. Just Google my name, and I'm always willing to help. So I wish you a great year, and I'm gonna be putting out more videos of better quality. None of the videos I put out are actually scripted, so I'm actually just talking, freestyling, and I think that is cool. And I think that we're going to even take it to the next level. Podcasts, freestyle podcasts, not scripted, just answer questions, bring the community in, and all of that stuff. So we'd like to just say, we hope that we could provide more opportunities for people, and I'm going to try to bring those opportunities to everybody. Thank you.